How are you? I hope you all will be doing fine at your homes. Welcome to the online class of science. So kids, now let's start our class with an etiquette. The etiquette of this week is turn off the tap, and switch off the fan, light and switch off the fan, light when not in use. So kids, you should always turn off the tap and switch off the fan, light when you don't have to use them. Okay? I hope you all will follow this etiquette. Good. So kids, now it's time to learn some GK questions. Okay, now let's see which is the first GK question. Okay, so the first GK question is, which is our national food? Which is our national food? Our national food is khichdi. Our national food is khichdi. Repeat again. Our national food is khichdi. Good. Now let's see the next GK question. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Repeat again. Our national animal is tiger. Good. So these were our GK questions. Okay, now let's learn these sight words. Okay. So kids, tell me, which sight word is this? Yes, this is put. This is put. Repeat again. Put. Repeat again. Put. Which is this sight word? Put. Good. So this was our sight word. Now it's time to do the revision. So kids, today we will revise about the my family. What we will revise? We will revise about the my family. So kids, we live in a house with so many members. We live in a house with so many members like mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt and you. And it is called a family. And it is called a family. Together we play with each other, we eat with each other and we do so many other activities. We play with each other, we eat with each other and we do so many activities. So kids, now let's see one by one the members in a family. Tell me, who is this? Yes, she is a mother. She is a mother. Mother cooks food for you. Mother cooks food for you and also do many household works. And what is the spelling of mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Repeat again. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Now let's see the next member. Who is this? Yes, he is father. He is father. He goes to work to earn money. He goes to work to earn money and in evening he plays with you. So he is father. What is the spelling of father? F-A-T-H-E-R. Repeat again. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Now let's see the other members. Who are they? They are your grandparents. He is grandfather and she is grandmother. He is grandfather and she is grandmother. They play with you and takes you to the park. They play with you and takes you to the park. So they are your grandparents. So what is the spelling of grandfather? Grandfather. Repeat again. Grandfather. Grandfather. And what is the spelling of grandmother? Grandmother. Repeat again. Grandmother. So they are your grandparents. Now let's see the other family members. Who are they? They are your brother and sister. They are your brother and sister. You all play with each other and fight with each other. You all play with each other and fight with each other. So they are your brother and sister. So what is the spelling of brother? Brother. Repeat again. Brother. And what is the spelling of sister? Sister. Repeat again. Sister. Sister. So they are your brother and sister. Now let's see the next members. Who are they? They are your uncle and aunt. They are your uncle and aunt. Like father, uncle also goes to work. Like father, uncle also goes to work, and aunt helps your mother. And aunt helps your mother in the household work. So they are your uncle and aunt. What is the spelling of uncle? UNCLE. Repeat again. UNCLE. Uncle. And what is the spelling of aunt? AUNT. Repeat again. AUNT. Aunt. So kids, they are our family. They are our family. I hope all of you have learned this. Good. Now let's go to the main topic. Kids, today we will study about the living things. So kids, when you feel hungry, what do? Yes, you eat food. And when you feel thirsty, what do? Yes, you drink water. Kids, do you know last month I planted a flower and keep it in an open space. I used to give water to it every day. And when after few days I notice it grows. Then after more days I noticed that it has become a very big flower. So kids, tell me, what can you notice here? You can notice that by passing days the flower gets growing. Kids, from this we come to know that living things are those who has life. Living things are those who has life. I, you, your parents, all of us are the living things. What we are? We are the living things. By passing time, we grows. We need food, air and water to live. So like us, plants or animals also need food, air and water to live. Like us, plants, animals also need food, air and water to live. Living things can also move from one place to other. Living things can also move from one place to other. So we all are the living things. We all are the living things. Let's see the examples. Living things include man. Living things include man, like you, me and all the other people. Like me, you and all the other people. Living things also include all animals. Living things also include all animals like dog, cat, elephant, tiger and many more and many more. Living things also include plants. Living things also include plants like trees, flowers and many more, like trees, flowers and many more. So all these things are the living things. So all these things are the living things. I hope all of you have learned about the living things. Good. So kids, now let's proceed to the classwork. So kids, take out your EVS book, World Around Us. Take out your EVS book, World Around Us. Have you taken out? Good. Now open it. Open the page number 10. Open the page number 10. Okay. So this is the exercise you have to do in the classwork. Now write down the date, classwork. Write down the date, classwork. Done. Okay, now see what we have to do in this exercise. You have to find the words and tick. You have to find the words and tick them. Okay, so here you can see so many members like grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister. And here these words are hidden in this box. You have to find the words from this box, circle it and then tick here. Okay, so which is the first one? Grandfather. Who is this? Grandfather. So find out the grandfather. Where it is? It's here. Grandfather. Okay, so now circle the grandfather. Circle the grandfather with your pencil. Done. Now mark the tick in front of the grandfather. Done. So kids, like this you have to do all the other parts by your own. So this was your task for the classwork. Have you done it? Good. So kids, now it's time to give you homework. So open your science notebook and note down the homework. Open your science notebook, note down the homework. See the picture and write whether it is air, water or land transport. Okay, so kids, you have to write down whether the vehicle is air, water or land transport. So kids, this was your homework. So it's all about your today's class. I hope all of you have enjoyed the class and learned the new things. Now we will meet in the next class with a new topic. So kids, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.